There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Imagine that for a moment. The Milky Way, with its billions of stars, is vast and seemingly infinite. Yet our planet, with its lush forests and diverse ecosystems, holds an even greater number of trees. This comparison is not just a fun fact. It's a testament to the richness of life on Earth. This fact might surprise you. Many of us look up at the night sky and feel a sense of wonder and insignificance. We see the stars and galaxies and think about the vastness of space. But when we look around us at the forests and the trees, we should feel a similar sense of awe. It's a great example of how big our planet is. The forests that cover our Earth are not just beautiful, they are vital to our survival. They provide oxygen, store carbon, and support countless species of wildlife. The sheer number of trees is a reminder of the abundance of life that our planet sustains, and how vast space is. The Milky Way is just one of a possible 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each star in the Milky Way could have its own system of planets, potentially harboring life. The scale of the universe is beyond comprehension, yet it is mirrored in the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. We often look at the night sky and feel small. The stars make us ponder our place in the universe. But when we consider the forests and the trees, we should also think about our role in preserving this incredible abundance of life. Each tree is a part of a larger ecosystem, just as each star is part of a galaxy. But the truth is, Earth is teeming with life. Our forests are home to countless species, many of which we have yet to discover. The diversity of plant life alone is staggering, with each tree playing a crucial role in its environment. This richness of life is something we must cherish and protect. Once you actually let it sink in that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way, it should inspire us to appreciate the natural world around us. The forests are not just a backdrop to our lives. They are a vital part of our existence. Let's take a moment to marvel at the universe of trees that we are fortunate enough to call home. Scientists estimate there are about 3 trillion trees on Earth. This staggering number is the result of extensive research and data collection from various sources around the globe. That's 3 followed by 12 zeros. To put it in perspective, that's more than the number of galaxies in the observable universe. Researchers used satellite images and tree density data. These high-resolution images allowed scientists to see forests in incredible detail, from the Amazon rainforest to the boreal forests of Canada. They counted trees in different types of forests. This included tropical rainforests, temperate forests, and even the sparse woodlands of the Arctic tundra. They also used information from people on the ground. Field researchers measured tree sizes and densities, providing crucial data that complemented the satellite images. This helped them make accurate calculations. By combining satellite data with ground-based observations, scientists could create a comprehensive map of the world's forests. The number of trees has changed over time. Human activities like deforestation and reforestation have significantly impacted tree populations, but 3 trillion is a good estimate for recent years. This number highlights the importance of conservation efforts to maintain and protect our planet's forests for future generations. The Milky Way galaxy is estimated to have 100 to 400 billion stars. That's still a huge number, but it's smaller than the number of trees on Earth. Our sun is just one of those stars, and each star can have its own planets, so there could be many billions of planets in our galaxy alone. Sand grains and a universe of stars. Now think about grains of sand on a beach. Each tiny grain, seemingly insignificant on its own, contributes to the vast expanse of the beach. Imagine holding a handful of sand and letting it slip through your fingers. The grains are countless, and trying to count them all would be an impossible task. The sheer number of grains is overwhelming, and yet they are just a small part of the entire beach. This gives us a sense of the immense scale of things, even on our own planet. But there are even more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. When we look up at the night sky, we see just a fraction of these stars. The universe is so vast that it stretches beyond our comprehension. Scientists estimate there are 10 sextillion stars in the observable universe. That's a one followed by 22 zeros. This number is so large that it's impossible to visualize. Each star, like our own sun, could have its own system of planets. To put it in perspective, if you tried to count all the stars at a rate of 1 per second, it would take you over 300 trillion years to count them all. This staggering number highlights the incredible scale of the universe. It shows how vast and mysterious space truly is. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Each star is a beacon of light in the darkness, a reminder of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. A tiny part of something larger. These comparisons make us think about our place in the universe. We live on a planet with more trees than stars in our galaxy, but with less grains of sand than stars in the observable universe. But our galaxy is just one of an estimated 2 trillion. It's humbling to realize how small we are and how much more there is to discover beyond our planet. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe our channel and discover more Milky Way mysteries.